and then 20 hours on the train. Well, good morning in Toronto. Figured a way to kick off the day is to get an Uber. Huh. Let's see how this goes. Good morning. Just keep this more exciting. Now we gotta take, where are we right now, Mom? We're at the subway. So, there's gotta be some movies filmed here, I'm sure. First time on the subway. I like eating Subway. Now I'm taking a Subway. Dad jokes. Plus, if we get lost, it's only part of the fun, right? I can't expect a completely smooth transition all the way through Toronto without getting lost once. Let's just hope it's not through the train station. Eaton Center, here we go. Here we go. So we missed our stop. That happened once. Alright, let's try this again. Had to do it at Apple at Eaton Center. I gotta visit it, of course. My Apple Store, Eaton Center. See ya. What's up, Microsoft Store?
Like, so basically you're flying the ship together, just like in Star Trek.
Oh, wow.
And so,
Well, Eaton Center, it's been a slice. One that has some frozen yogurt from Yogan Cruise. And let's get out of Eaton Center and go back to Ottawa. Ottawa, you're crazy. Toronto is nuts.
Yeah.
Alright, we're back from Toronto. It was a long trip. So fun, but long. It's bedtime. Let's get back into routine. My last day in Ottawa. So what we need to do is I had to go get my train ticket, and we gotta change my mom's the health card, I guess, for Ontario and all the boring last day stuff. But the exciting part will be me going on a train and making sure I get on the right one. Let's start this day. Here we go. Now we wait for Mom to get a health card, and then we're on the road and home to Samantha and Anna. But first, here's a 22-hour train ride. Yeah. Alright, just said bye to Mom and Jody. 2 hours in the train station, and then 20 hours on the train. Here we go. Made it to Montreal, and I'm surrounded by everyone that speaks French. Clearly, I'm not going to make any friends in this little section. That was a short train, and now I'm going to go on a very, very long train ride for about 18 hours. phone booth. Weird. Get out of here. Let's go back home to New Brunswick. Or New Brunswick, if some people say. Let's go. Landed. Now let's find Samantha and Hannah. No more bus for this guy. Below 30 degrees though. Come here. Come here. Hey baby, come on up. Is it free? Huh? Buddy? I came on the train. Do you see it? Say hi. Oh, the feeling of being with family again. Obviously, some tears were shed. Anna was being a difficult baby while I was away, I guess. You happy now?
Happy now.
Yay! What the heck are you doing? You don't know?
I know.
Okay. Check this little queen out.
Use your manners. Is that for you?
Wow.
What is it?
Who is that?
Bawana.
Aww.
There's nothing else. Come on. Finally home in our own place. Back from Ontario. We have our own spot. This is the first time I've ever had my own place in a long, long time. So we're going to relax here. Just do nothing. So we're going to end the vlog here. Whoa.
My belly got bigger.
Yeah. My facial hair grew long and fluffy, and she got round and
More round and fluffy.
Thanks for watching my little adventure, but glad to be home with my family.
I'm excited to see your adventure.
Alright, take care. To the next vlog. Bye.
Goodbye.